Me left Jamaica how much years, Derrick? Me don't know them place there.
Alright, I Cam Gate. Which are next door to St. Hughes High School. I rent one auditorium hall. I keep service it every Sunday and church.
And you go to church and then come tell you if you leave. Them full of shit at Jamaica.
It never started.
But no matter, you're on the premises, it no matter.
You got it early, yeah. And then time man come to me, the prophet. It's a prophet, you know, it's a prophet where everybody go.
So what make him say if you leave?
I know him time to leave, I know him time in bodyguard, the man be a police around him. Be a police, there, and there at church. Walk, guard him. Them just come and tell me that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm not sure never start. Church start 1 o'clock. We reach 11 o'clock.
Oh.
I'm sitting at a tree.
But it no matter. It no
Yeah,
matter.
food.
So are you alone?
Suppose it's alright, you get. And you go early.
Yeah?
Are there people out there?
Yeah, some people not under the tree and so they're not shot. Church, the service now started. They not start till 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
So you going to run out?
No, I mean the man does come to and does tell me say you got a car.
Yes, you fix up things for them. Them they are fuckery.
Me not fix up them.
You fix up nothing. So why them never tell everybody to leave?
You man just tell me not bother say to me that walk and go away.
Me know why them tell if you leave.
But
and
them full of shit down there.
No, it's not that easy himself because can people got the church there.
No, uncle, go back one next day when you know say alright, then start 1 o'clock. So go there like 12 o'clock.
Yeah, 12:30.
Or 12:30.
No, me not go back there.
Yeah.
Derrick easy for shame, me know.
Me not go back there. Everybody go look help. I've church where help people and you have to pay money. You have to pay money to the pastor and you have to do a contact with the team.
So it look like somebody call them for you then.
So probably it don't even have nothing to do with the pastor. Probably somebody else will work there and then just enough.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because if more than one people there, then you them come to.
Yeah, probably one of the workers then with just enough.
But bad people go there. Actually, for help. People have courthouse cases.
They cannot listen, you not listen. It no must be as what me I think, but maybe them get a call about you. Cause why him come to you exactly?
Or maybe because uncle they got there too early and nobody never left on the premises yet and they never want nobody lighter them. Probably they
no, but you hear me say more than one people there.
Probably them work there.
Are two different so you talk about. It's just cool. And the people know me. They know me.
Yeah.
The man just know me.
Yeah.
And body run me. The policeman come to me and tell me say, she get a car say, I'm gonna leave.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run me.
Well, find one next church go.
We not gonna more church. Now what I believe. At church people get help.
Yeah.
You know about prophets people.
What the pastor name, uncle? What name?
Prophet Roar. He come from Money.
Okay.
He come from Money. Everybody know him. They are calling go. Dancer queen calling.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody go there.
Yeah.
Just full on Sunday and Thursday time.
Mm-hmm.
And people are king over in church. Demons, that's somebody man drop out.
In church, have to upscale people, Derrick.
And upstairs church with nobody. Poor people go there. No rich people don't go there. You're sick, you have problem, you go there. Everybody have problem. You just go there, you get blessed, you get different. If you want to go find, you make it get the visa. I can see in man do. I can see man do. You know about them people, them man, prophets. We see and tell you what happened in your life and them something there.
Yeah, there's somebody I tell you this, if you go look at work, or you not block them.
Me not panic. Me tell them and me tell them with them work business. Me not panic with them work. Me come up and gone.
But every minute them dep on TikTok, I tell people to go look work. I want them find time to go up on TikTok. What them never look work too. That's why I tell them I can't bother TikTok because my mouth too dirty.
So one of them people that sit down and live, they don't have nothing better for doing them.
Not at all for those. Some of them have some parasite.
Yeah, me I tell you. And who
And the
the
girl them go use some tweezer, they fucking ear bump them with on them pussy, them they on TikTok and disturb the man every day.
Look on Jaden, have a problem. You know about Jaden with the problem with
Me in them they talking the Derrick, you know that.
no, me I talk about the me I just say about over trouble.
Me in them there's something there. You know me not really follow my whole heap of Jamaican because me can't bother with them. Me born and grow up Jamaica, me I tell you period, me not like Jamaican. Them too much.
And you alone, you know every time you people say something in Jamaica, they mix up.
Me. Canada,
But the current affairs, uncle, they say like how them talk about your business, you can't talk about anybody's business you want to talk about.
Yeah, him talk whatever, but Derrick knows me not really like it. It's screen shot and then something there. That's why me always I tell him to call me. Because I not really like his screen recording and them thing there.
Yeah.
Parasite, them always find the wrong set of people them for pitch pan. What a person that say, come me can't see so good. What the person say about me?
If you're a woman or you're a man.
Don't worry about that, come in and look here. You don't worry about that. Not interested. You know but I worry about what kind of woman or man me be. Me now look here. Whether you're a man or you're a woman, me now look here.
So then say man, then just come tell us your problem.
Me not study them Derrick. Me I talk me I will have vibes with my friend. A long time me not see her. Me no mind get the visa for come to Canada.
Then him can go in at summertime when it warm up.
Yeah, but I got on time, you know. I got on time. Everything happen. And I say it God. Some people think say God take a day to build the world. And I say it no, Derrick. Your time will come. You have to just go have the faith.
Yeah, true.
And I study them more no work. Because people that on TikTok will have all millions. I study them more no work. What kind of work you can do at this age?
Every minute.
You know about the TikTok thing, I swear me can't bother the media business because you see through my mouth so dirty. Well, I mean I make joke for rings out my mouth past some of them. Me not go live and then thing there, you know.
But the go working business, it played out now because I don't know where Derrick
Yeah, but I work, them I work. I know Derrick alone, all of them I work, The time what them I put in on TikTok, I work, them I work. So when people use this, go work, them fi stop that now. Cause work, them I work. Una entertain, as put out drama. Una put out drama, make you laugh. All kind of thing I work, the people them I work. So I mean,
exactly.
You see, the man say, it's still no.
Yeah, still played out.
You didn't come.
But most of the people them just messing
Hi,
Derrick because they
Uncle.
like you with it.
Oh, you know, how you do, darling.
I'm okay. It's my sister's birthday, Uncle, and I want you to tell her happy birthday.
Happy birthday to your
Hold
sister.
on, wait, Uncle. How do I do? I don't even know how to do this, Uncle. I need to see her, see how pretty she is, and tell her happy birthday.
Put her in a big box, uncle.
Don't worry, I'm gonna send you something after, Uncle.